This is part 2. This is part 2 ng health and wealth topic, no? Part 2 po ng health and wealth topic, no? Ah, yung kung sakaling hindi mo pa napanood yung health and wealth part 1, no? I strongly suggest panoorin nyo muna yon. No, it is related to sponsor natin, Maharlika Rice Coffee. Okay? Panoorin nyo para maintindihan nyo kung ano ba ang Maharlika Rice Coffee. It is red rice. Hindi po siya gawa ng mga tinatawag nating Arabica, Robusta, Barako coffee. No? Ang uh, Maharlika Rice Coffee ay gawa po sa red rice. No? It is commonly called red coffee. Gawa sa pulang bigas, sikat sa mountain province of the Philippines, no? Chongak variety, yun ang pangalan, Chongak, no? Red rice. And nabanggit ko dun sa part 1. It is this is a healthy coffee na pwede sa young and old. Kahit 1 year old pataas pa lang pwede na, no? It is better than Milo and Ovaltine. And yung mga instant coffee sa labas, yung 3-in-1, or yung mga ino-offer sa mga sikat na coffee shop, no? Kasi nga this Maharlika rice coffee is non-acidic, hindi magpapalpitit ang puso mo, walang caffeine, no? Walang harmful chemicals, walang mga synthetic or artificial creamers and sugar. Safe na safe po, lalo sa mga vegetarian at yung mga religious sector, yung mga nagfa-fasting, no, sa religious sector, na after fasting, no, kailangan nila ng nourishment. This is best for all of them, no. At today ang pag-uusapan on this part 2 is yung wealth. Kasi ang kalusugan may kinalaman din sa kayamanan, no. Kung naniniwala po kayo na kayo ay healthy, you will become wealthy. Pero kung kayo ay sakitin, lagot kayo. Damay ang hanap buhay o kabuhayan. So, I will go straight to the program of Maharlika Rice Coffee. No? Ang Maharlika Rice Coffee merong franchising opportunity. Kailangan nila ng franchise distributors all over the Philippines and around the world, no. The reason is because they are the vision and mission of Maharlika Rice Coffee is to make sure that everybody is healthy, no. And at the same time, if you are healthy, your next possible scenario is wealthy, no. So meron po silang franchising opportunity na kakaiba, no. Ang format is parang kooperatiba, no. Ang franchising opportunity ng Maharlika Rice Coffee is related sa kooperatiba, no, sa yung tinatawag nating sikat na business format sa Pilipinas, no. Very affordable po ang Maharlika Rice Coffee, no. 10 sachet po siya, 10 sachet, no. 10 timpla. Average 20 grams or 21 grams or more, no, per sachet, no. Marami yan, no. Per sachet. At 500 po per pack, no. Ang retail price, no, original price is 500 per pack, ganyan, 500 pesos per pack, 10 sachet, no. Pero may promo price sila. Promo price from franchise distributor is 350, no. Promo price is 350, hindi na 500. Ito yung original price. Pero kung kumuha kayo sa mga legitimate or authorized franchise distributor, is may promo price na 350. Okay? Pero kung kayo po ay franchise owner, kayo po mismo nagpa-franchise, no, makukuha nyo sa 250. Makukuha nyo sa 250. 250 lang per pack, no. Laking tipid. Okay? Laking tipid. It is good for you. And the franchise opportunity is very affordable. Franchising opportunity is very affordable. Anywhere in the Philippines and overseas, no? 10,000 pesos lang. Okay? 10,000 pesos lang. Maraming benefits. Maraming financial benefits po ito. Ang first benefit is meron na kayo 20 packs ng Maharlika Rice Coffee or red coffee, no? 10 sachet bawat isa. So 20 packs, no? Times 10 sachet, that's 200 pieces or 200 sachets. Libre na, kasama na doon sa 10,000 pesos na franchising uh, opportunity, yung fee, no? And then, bilang franchise owner ka, syempre, pag nagbenta ka ng 350 or 500, no? No, edi may retail profit na kayo. May retail profit na kayo. Lalo na kung meron kayong shop, no? Meron kayong shop, tapos magtimpla kayo ng Maharlika Rice Coffee sa customer, pwede kayo sumingil ng 50 pesos isang baso ba? 50 pesos isang baso, malaki ang income mo, no? Kung franchise ka, owner ka, may tubo ka ng 250. O, bawat sachet, tubo ka 25 pesos. Yan. Maganda ang retail profit. Pero ito, isang maganda ang opportunity ng isang franchise owner is commission at override. Pag merong sumaling ibang mga franchise, may mga ibang taong sumali sa franchise, kilala mo, you have 500 pesos. Meron kang override, 250. And then, meron ka ring 100 pesos franchise, tinatawag na commission and overrides. No? Yan, no? Ang ganda. Marami po siyang commissions and overrides. And then, last but not the least, lahat po ng mga franchise owner, no, o nag-franchise ng Maharlika Rice Coffee, lahat, okay, galing po sa company, meron po silang chance magkaroon ng ayan, ayuda, biyaya at iba pa program up to 1 million pesos, no, plus, no, ang mapupunta sa iyo, guaranteed, guaranteed po yan. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-franchise ka, may kontrata po kayo na makakatanggap kayo ng 1 million pesos in ayuda, biyaya at iba pa, no? Yan ay programan po ng Maharlika Rice Coffee na mas commonly known as red coffee. Okay? If you want to know more, you can message us. We can have a one-on-one discussion. Every franchise owner, o kumbaga sumali ka sa franchise opportunity, magtatabi ang company ng at least 1 million peso, no? At least 1 million peso for you, no? Either in the form of company shares or either in the form of cash, or in the form of iba-ibang form of payment, no? Magtatabi kami ng ayuda, biyaya at iba pa para sa inyo, 1 million pesos, and we will also teach you how to become a successful franchise owner ng Maharlika Rice Coffee. Sikat po ang rice coffee kasi sa Mountain Province, pero hindi pa po siya saturated sa Pilipinas. Kaya we need distributors in the whole of the Philippines and overseas. Okay? And you can also promote this to foreigners. Imagine the opportunity. Alam natin na bilyon-bilyon ang pera na pwedeng kitain sa coffee. Okay? So, message me if you want to know more. Panoorin nyo yung part 1 related sa health. And now, this is part 2, wealth. So, 2 parts lang po ito. Part 1 and part 2. Okay? You have any questions? Message me. 1 million pesos or more. God bless.